As you know, 5A Systems is one of the manufacturers of cameras and smart home appliances that is strong in the global market today. 5A Systems has cherished and launched lines of high-end fingerprint products. Is the SBS3000. Which can be accessed as such. It is dubbed the door of all doors. It can be used in aluminium doors, iron doors, plastic doors, and even in wooden doors. The SBS3000 can be installed with 100 fingerprints, more than 100 codes, and 2 anti-piracy mechanisms in any forms. The SBS3000 uses 4 AAA batteries lasting for up to 6 months of operation and with voice-activated battery warning. 5A Systems takes precautions of all possible worst-case scenarios, such as when systems fail and you can use the backup key, like this. So you take this part, take it off, now you can use the key, like such. And that's it. Easy like that. Now I will instruct you on how to use the SBS3000.
If you want to reset the password, you need to press the button with this wrench over here. If you want to open the door from the outside, you need to press 1230 twice. 1, 2, 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. If the lock is wrong, you can use the key. If the battery is low, you can recharge the door with this device over here.
Open the lid of the pin and keep pressing the reset button in 6 seconds to recover the original installation of the lock. Press the reset button. Default code is 1230 1230. Press 1 to change the main code. Add the code with 8 numbers in 2 times.
Operation successful. Enter master password.
Press button 2 to add the code and using fingerprints.
Operation successful. 1. Enroll master. 2. Enroll user. Unlock information. Enter again. Successful. Enter unlock information. Enter again. Successful. Enter unlock information. Operation successful. Setting exited. Locked. Unlocked. Unlocked. Unlocked.
Now, how do you feel after experiencing the installation process? Within just a couple of minutes, you can install and equip your home with a new and safe device. Please don't hesitate to contact us for more information. 5asystems.com. Thank you and see you again.